All right, so he's been helping others since the age of 10, and so it was no surprise that for his 25th birthday, he wanted to give back. Philanthropist Okello Soltau is here to tell us about his mission. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning,
Sam.
Sim.
Here with us this morning. So, you had a mission. You carried out the mission.
Definitely.
Yesterday.
Yes.
Yesterday?
Yesterday.
Yeah. Tell us what you wanted to do and tell us what you did and how it went.
All right, so it actually went absolutely great, unlike what I expected. The turnout was good. The aim was to feed 500 persons or to distribute 500 meals. Unfortunately, we were able to do a little over 300, which was great. So the aim behind the 25th birthday was to distribute 25 packages to families in Kingston and St. Andrew and to also feed as much homeless as possible. And we were able to do it because we were able to surpass the 250 that we normally go after each year. And so it was amazing.
Tell me, which part of Kingston were you in?
So we're in Crossroad and downtown Kingston.
Okay. And was it a difficult initiative to put together? What kind of hoops did you have to jump through to be able to get the clearance to do it and also to be able to collate 200, pull together 250, 300 meals, packages, and it's not a small undertaking.
It was a bit of work because we had a delay. It was supposed to be from the 3rd of December. We were waiting on some approval to do it because, you know, it's banned from street feeding. Mm-hmm. And then just to get enough security personnel to be there with us to feed the homeless because there are times they become very boisterous. And so it was a bit of hoop to do that we had to jump over to get there and then to get in the sponsorship persons to come on board to take part and to get in volunteers to come on board because persons are normally scared of going out there. But it was good at the end of the day because persons came on board, especially at last minute. A lot of persons called like the Saturday before that they want to join on board, they want to sponsor, you know, and it was just amazing.
Yeah. Tell me where your heart for this came from.
My heart for this came from receiving back. So it was actually giving back because I was in a position where I had to depend on somebody too. And so giving back from what I have now and giving back from my skills and my abilities, you know, whatever the gift that I have now is because of somebody helping me in the past. Mm-hmm. So giving it back through love, and, you know, is just amazing.
So you say you were born with a purpose to serve people and impact lives without the thoughts of rewards or recognition. Because you two had to figure out where your next meal was coming from. You were also left carrying the heavy load of wondering whether or not you could attend school. When you look back at those memories now, 25 years old, so they're kind of distant. Right?
Yes.
And you look at where you are now. Is it really because of the gift of other people helping you where you are?
Yes, definitely, Simone, because I was from a community, a very rural community. Life wasn't as anybody would want it to be. And it was through the goodness of somebody's heart that my mother was able to, you know, get over that struggle where she was, you know, offered a job at a particular hotel industry. And that was when life changed for us. And that was around in 2013, 2012.
Recently, you know.